It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about AMC stock. The ticker symbol, of course, AMC. We're going to be taking a look here at this article from investorplace.com. I don't usually talk a lot about AMC. That is actually mostly due to their rabid fan base of investors. A lot of the apes have such a positive, great community, but then there are some of those bad apples that they only want you to think that AMC is the only stock that actually exists. That is the kind of poisonous stuff that I wouldn't preach on the channel here. There is plenty of room for many great stocks to thrive out there. Let's take a look at the headliner for this. Big gains on AMC stock could backfire on new investors. I'm not going to read this entire article. You could do that on your own leisure at your own time. But basically, it talks about how the success of AMC has catapulted this whole new fan base, this rabid base of investors, to bet absolutely big on AMC. And the truth is, AMC did hit big. I mean, I could remember a time when the stock was $2. Imagine riding that little wave from $2 all the way to where it rolled up. You had massive success. AMC did it, and it was well worth it to get in on that. I mean, think about it. Even those early investors, before the whole Reddit movement, before the whole stock squeeze, if you went from $2 just to $4, you doubled your money. Anytime you can double your money in an investment, that's considered a win. So imagine how massive it was to 10x that money and beyond. AMC is a pure gamble. So basically, this section is talking about how they're pretty much banking on AMC and thinking about that short squeeze, how it's just going to catapult and explode one day. That is what many investors have in mind for AMC. They're banking on this because, let's face it, in the midst of the pandemic, everything was down. Businesses were hurting severely. The movie industry was hurting big time. And then one of the things that many investors did, many smart investors at that, they were banking on the recovery after the whole pandemic hit, and how the economy would thrive and how AMC would get back on that horse. And it is definitely true though. AMC saw many catalysts go their way, and people are going back out. People are getting back into the movies. AMC investments probably won't end well. This is one of those things here. I'm going to disagree with this on Investor Place. I think that AMC is going to definitely thrive in the long term, but they don't see it ending well. They kind of think that the rally will not sustain. Eventually, people are going to sell out of AMC, especially if they don't see that price moving up. I mean, think about it. How many people every day, they're just price watching, but they don't look at the fundamentals. They don't look at the stuff that is going on. Look at this quote real quick. Nobody's buying AMC stock today has the slightest nobody buying AMC stock today has the slightest clue what they're doing. Yet to the herd, it looks like it got things right on AMC, so they can't imagine not getting it right. He says there's no rational reason AMC should have a $20 billion market cap. Of course, I disagree with this once again. I think AMC has always been a phenomenal company. If anything, they have always been undervalued, to tell you the truth. All truth be told, they've been undervalued, and that is what it is. Movie theater industry is partly down because if you look at it, what is it about the movie theaters? At the end of the day, it's the movies. You need that magical movie to catapult things. That one movie everyone sees. I always talk about it. Think about something like The Avengers. It was worldwide. This is the entertainment that people need. You know, everything is so concentrated these days on streaming that people have sort of forgot about going out and getting out there. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So this is the price of AMC. In the course of the last 5 days, it is up 18.91%. $40.31 is where it is at right now. After hours, it did gain 21 cents. Not bad. For the day, though, it was down $3.59. That is an 8% hit. So for those playing options, if you pretty much bought it up here and were expecting that wave to keep going up, you were sadly informed this did not happen. If you got in on options down here, rolled it back up, that was a good exit right there. But tomorrow's another day, and it is what it is with AMC. I don't expect those buys to stop anytime soon. The AMC fan base, they are loyal. The apes are on it. They are ready for war every day with the hedgies. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's all good. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It helps tremendously. If you haven't done so, hit that notification bell so you can stay notified, informed, and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.